You guys, I'm recording today. Let's get it.
I think I'm bad as hell, I got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I do the dishes, never come. Easy bake, easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you hate, or get the fuck out.
So I know that it has been quite some time, and I'm so tired of opening my videos saying it's been quite some time. Listen, one of my goals for the new year was to get better with time management, and I'm trying really hard. And then also, side note, I don't want to just be uploading videos that's not worth you guys watching, like just feeding videos just to say that I'm uploading and like just to try to rush up my subscribers. Like, no, I want everything that I drop to be of quality content. So unless I have my mojo, or unless I have my I want to record this, I'm not doing it. Like, I'm not gonna just be recording my whole life, because also I'm 27, so now I'm getting to the point where I don't want to record every single moment of my life. Like, I'm not as active as I usually would be on social media platforms, and it's just because I'm getting old, period. You know what I'm saying? But I have a desire to do YouTube full-time even one day. I have a desire to be a well-known influencer, so I know that I got to kick it up in gear. But I just wanted to say, please forgive me, but you guys have definitely been riding with me. Do y'all see what we're almost at? We are almost at 500 subscribers. Like, this is major key alert for little bitty me. Like, I'm really excited. I'm even more excited about my views. You guys are actually subscribing to my channel and y'all watching my videos, and y'all don't know how much that means to me. So with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into today's video. See y'all later.
Starting off with a clean face, of course, I'm going to be taking this NYX Brow Gel in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to be just brushing this throughout each brow like 2 times. When I do this, I get a very natural brow finish. It doesn't look like I put too much into my brows. And I will be taking this NYX Conceal and Correct palette in order to carve out my brows. And I'm going to be carving out my brows with a tiny e.l.f. angle brush. And if you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial video, I will have it linked up at the top. Eyebrows looking fleeky, naturally, you know, popping. Now for the star of the show, my favorite concealer. So this is the NYX Concealer in the shade Nutmeg, you guys. This is what's gonna make this face pop, okay? I'm gonna be placing it all over my lids, and then I'm gonna press it out with a flat top makeup brush. Now moving on, I'm gonna be taking some of this Baby Skin Pore Minimizing, I can't say that word, but I'm going to be placing it everywhere where my pores are pretty large at. I'm going to be priming my face with the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Primer. Again, welcoming the star of the freaking show, this NYX Concealer in the shade Nutmeg, or the number 08. I'm going to be placing this in all of my problem areas, which is on the outskirts of my chin, the upper portion of my lip, as well as where the bottom portion of my chin, as well as the few acne scars that I have on the side of my cheeks. Also, I'm going to be placing this right in my dark circles underneath my eyes. Well, I'm not going to call these dark circles. I'm going to say these are my, I have deep set eyes, so that's that. Using this Real Technique foundation brush, is very dense type of brush. I'm going to be just pouncing this shade into my skin so that I can get a full cover up of my dark spots on my face. For under my eyes, I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques Diamond Sponge. It is a favorite. Since that's a very sensitive area, I'm going to go in and pounce that into my skin. And then I'm going to be taking another Real Techniques brush. So this is a new brush, you guys. It's a setting brush. So I'm going to be taking that and placing it all over the places that I concealed my face, just so I can get that concealer locked in. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30. And I'm going to be placing it on all the areas I want to highlight on my face. And I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques Diamond Sponge and just blending that all out. Switching back to my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to just buff out those edges of where I highlighted underneath my eye. Now I'm going to be using this black opal setting powder and using that same setting brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to just set everywhere that I highlighted. Now with this NYX No Filter powder, my favorite powder, as well as this flat top brush by e.l.f., I will be now just going in and bringing everything together, applying this color to my face where I didn't use any type of foundation. And by applying a powder that is close to your skin tone, like I just said, it just basically brings everything together. And I also use that same powder to remove the setting powder that I just had underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking this CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. I'm going to be contouring my face with the e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm going to be just taking that all around the places that I would like to just slightly snatch up. Also, I'm going to be fixing it up with a little black opal powder. I'm also going to be slightly contouring my nose and bringing that same contour up into my eyelid to give it just a little bit of depth. And I'm also going to be applying some of this Fix Plus MAC spray to just take away all of that powder. And then I'm going to be applying just a little bit of Berry Blush by Maybelline. Taking this L'Oreal mascara. I love this mascara because of how thin the wand is. And I'm also going to be applying some gel eyeliner to my lower lash line. And to my top lash line, I'm going to apply liquid eyeliner. And then I'm going to be applying these amazing Hair Store Broadway lashes that I doubled up with the number 115 by Ardell. And I'm going to take this NYX Cafe lip liner and then I'm going to apply on top the NYX Butter lip gloss. And then of course I'm going to set my face with the NYX matte spray. And then I will be just applying my favorite Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy highlight. And you guys, that is the motherfucking look. The no foundation look. A glow.
I am back, you guys. So that is the end of this makeup look. This is my no foundation makeup look. I have been doing this for about since the beginning of this year, which I know we're only 3 months in. No, I had to start at the end of 2018 because I was trying to perfect it. And like I feel like now I've perfected it. And I really, really like it. It feels so lightweight. I've tested it so many times. Once I set it with that setting spray and I make sure that I apply that pore minimizer, I would never be able to say that word. Minimizer. I'm minimizing those pores right here because that's where I get shiny the most. I'm all good. So if you are like me and you are looking for a, you want that beat kind of feel, but once you're really, really close, you can still see some of my imperfections in my skin. But this is like literally now my go-to. I don't reach for foundation, and it's because I'm at that weird point with my skin right now. So like my neck is one color, my face is one color, my body one color. So it's like when you put that makeup on, the foundation, it just doesn't work. I haven't had a chance to, it's been on my list though. I haven't had a chance to go and get my foundation, my skin to see exactly what shade I'm in right now, because the Lancome that I used in my last full foundation video, and I don't know if you guys seen it, but if you haven't, it was my Valentine's Day video, and I'll have that linked up here. Go check that out. That foundation, I liked it, but after rewatching a few times, I saw the yellow peeking out, and I have generally red undertones. So I definitely need to go and get my foundation updated. But I really hope that you guys enjoy this. This is really quick. It's something that you can do and still feel really cute, still feel like you can show up to party. I have never did this particular base with an actual full-blown eyeshadow, but if that's what you want to try, sis, try it. Let me know how it looks. I'm here for it. I really hope that you guys got something from this video. And as always, if you like the vibes, go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Please make sure that you follow me on all my social media sites. And I really, truly appreciate each and every nice, kind word that you guys ever said to me. So I will check you guys in the next video. Bye.
Gang, gang, gang. What up, YouTube? Y'all just got through watching Being Ambitious. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget, notification gang on time. We out. Yeah.